Hello guys! Welcome back here in Wake Up Ilocos, and we are here again sa ating segment na Ilocano Act, where we feature another pride of Ilocanja, mga kababayan natin na tunay na ipinagmamalaki natin dito sa Ilocos, at mga kababayan natin na tunay na mga successful na sa kanilang mga profesyon sa kahit anumang aspeto ng buhay. We are so much lucky today dahil makakapanayam natin ngayon ang isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng Ilocos. Siyempre, dati po siyang Vice President of Administration sa University of Northern Philippines and Vice President for Academic Affairs. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause sa ating guest for today, Dr. Francisco C. Macanas. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Delmar,
Delmar po.
Okay,
yes,
Delmar.
sir. Napakaswerte namin dahil kasama ka namin ngayong araw na to as our special guest for Ilocano Act segment po.
Swerte din ako. Starring.
Starring talaga. Sir, batiin niyo muna yung mga televiewers natin out there, mga kaibigan niyo, bago tayo magsimula sa ating discussion.
Hello everybody. Binabati ko yung mga lahat ng nanonood sa sikat na core dito sa Ilocania, specifically sa Ilocos Sur.
Wow.
Kumusta kayo lahat?
Ayan po si Dr. Francisco C. Macanas. Sir, eto po yung kukunin ko na itong pagkakataon na to to get to know you better and even closer. Ika nga nila, di ba, sir?
Closer tayo.
Closer. We have some few questions here para lang po makilala kayo ng mga kapwa natin Ilocano out there, and of course sa lahat na nandito sa Ilocanja. Ready na po ba kayo?
Ready na ba?
Kinakabahan si sir.
Not really. Okay, shoot.
So first question po, sir. Sino po si Dr. Francisco C. Macanas?
Sa pagkakalam ko, ako isang tao. Hindi anghel. Well, let me start from my roots. I am actually from La Union. I was born in Bangar, La Union. Well, actually, I did not grow up with my real parents. I grew up with my grandmother. Not a direct grandmother, but the sister of a direct grandmother.
Okay.
I was with them until I went to, first year high school. As a matter of fact, noon, ayoko yung Macanas sa pinendo ko eh. Yung grandmother ko kasi, with whom I stayed, is a Camarillo. The Camarillos, I understand in,
Camarillo po.
Camarillo, dito sa Santa Maria, I understand? Camarillo. So when I went to school for grade 1, I did not want the name Francisco Macanas. I wanted the name Francisco Camarillo.
Camarillo.
So I grew up with my grandmother. That's the reason why I'm not spoiled.
Hindi po talaga kayo.
Hindi.
Pareho pala tayo, sir. Lumaki din ako sa lola.
Ah, really?
O, kaya yung mga laking lola doon mababait.
At saka, guwapo ka tulad.
Saka guwapo. I love that. But anyway, sir.
Return the compliment, will you?
Of course. So, my God. Ayaw patalo si sir talaga.
So, from there, when I went to high school, I went to St. Christopher Academy. There's a Catholic school in Bangar. After my second year, I went to Baguio. St. Louis, Don Bosco ngayon. I had my third year high school there, fourth year high school. I graduated from St. Louis, Baguio. From high school, I went to the seminary, actually.
Really, sir?
May
Ilang years po kayo sa seminary?
The seminary, about 2.5 years after high school.
Okay.
2.5 years after high school. After 2.5 years, I went out. Not because of anything else, not because of a woman, but because I wanted to, I wanted to enter a more cloistered life, like a monastery, a monastery.
Talaga.
But anyway, when I got out, I enrolled in St. Louis University, and I think I forgot all about going back to the seminary, because I just forgot all about it. So I finished all my degrees actually in St. Louis.
Sa St. Louis na po lahat.
I finished my first AB languages. Then after that, I taught part-time in St. Louis Boys High while finishing my BSE. Same university. Major in English, minor in Math.
Did you take up a masteral or doctorate?
Yes, after finishing my bachelor's degree, I went on to to enroll in the master's degree program, MA Education, which I finished in 1972. So actually, when I came to UNP, I already had a master's degree.
Master's degree.
I was one of the, well, the few faculty members who had a master's degree in UNP in 1972.
Wow.
In my time, yeah.
Well, that is really an accomplishment, sir, on your part.
I think so because I really did it on my own.
Yes.
I went to school on my own. You know, sabi ka nila yung parang self-made man.
Self-made man.
Self-made man.
But anyway, sir, before we go further with your educational background, si Dr. Francisco Macanas po ba ay married kanino? At ilan po yung anak ninyo? Sino-sino yung mga anak po ninyo?
Married?
Yes, married.
Let me think. Am I? Of course I am. I'm happily married to Ma Luisa Rosal Macanas, who is from here, actually. My wife is from here. That's why I'm here. And we had 4 children. The first is now a medical doctor.
Wow.
Graduate of St. Paul, by the way, high school. St. Louis and Fatima.
Sino po siya?
Efleda Princess.
Okay. And then the next one.
Second and third children, namatay sila na premature at infancy mga.
Sorry about
Then,
that, sir.
yeah. And the fourth, si Kokoy. You know him?
Yeah, it's
He's a genetic engineer.
Hi, Kuya Kokoy. I've seen Mommy kanina yan. She's so beautiful. Kaya pala namangha si Sir Francisco dahil sa
Beautiful ka mo?
kanyang asawa.
Laksan mo kayan? Beautiful ka.
Beautiful. Para marinig ni Mommy. Anyway, sir, nagturo po kayo sa UNP. Then, for how many years po kayo nagturo sa UNP? Tsaka, kailan po kayo nag-retire?
I got in 1972. I retired in 2005.
Nung pumasok po ba kayo sa UNP, ano po yung naging position nyo na una po? Before kayo naging Vice President?
Just a plain faculty. But right after 1 semester or so, I was given the rank of Instructor 2 right away. And during that time also, there were not too many, if at all, with that rank. Kasi may masters na ako noon. And as I was saying, halos lahat sa UNP noon, wala pang masters. Kaya wala pa naka-instructor 2 noon.
Nung panahon nyo po na Vice President po kayo for Academics Affairs, you're one of those persona or yung personality sa UNP talaga na hinahangaan ko po, sir. Kasi
Talaga?
sa UNP po.
Ano ba?
Yeah, I studied at laboratory school sa University of Northern Philippines under administration of Dr. Dulay. Ma'am Dulay.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's retired.
Yeah, he's
She's
retired. I was one of the student leaders din also of laboratory school, and talagang hinahangaan po namin kayo sa inyong galing at saka
Ang ibig mo sabihin, kilala mo ako noon pa?
Of course! Kayo nang sinabi ni Direk na at saka ni Barbie na kayo po yung ma-interview ko. Wow! Parang natuwa naman ako doon kasi this is my first time to have a chat with you. Ganitong ka-close talaga, sir. So this is really a privilege on my part.
Thank you.
Anyway, sir, eto po question natin. Ano-ano po yung mga nagawa ninyo during your time sa UNP po? Or what are your achievements?
Well, let us start with when I was the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences. Well, actually, I started, my first administrative position was as head, the first full-time head of the College of Criminology, whether you believe it or not. I'm not criminal, but I was designated as the first full-time head of the College of Criminology. And from there on, I became Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences. So as for my achievement, well, as a College of Criminology, I was able, I think, to do something about it because it was only beginning then.
Yes.
Then I went to the College of Arts and Sciences as Dean. I was able to introduce, 3 courses. One of them is AB Tourism. I studied the course. And then BS Environmental Studies, Salon Environment. And I think BS Computer Science.
So kayo din po ang nag-ano
Yes.
Okay, sir. If there is one thing na nagawa nyo that you are proud of sa UNP po, ano po yun? I mean, ano yung legacy na pwede nyo sabihin sa ating mga televiewers or kababayan po?
Well, as I was saying, humility is truth. So I think I'd rather not mention something maybe visible, but rather what I can be proud of is I've been honest.
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 And that's
Wala
one
akong-
of the
walang-
that's one of the parang core values.
Walang
ng
corruption.
UNP.
Walang corruption.
Walang corruption.
Yung nga sabi,
Honesty.
I remember when I retired and there was a program in my honor. One of the faculty members spoke, gave a kind of a, I don't know if you can call it a tribute. Dr. Gaudelio Europa, who was called upon to say something about me during that retirement program. And he said, and I remember it very well, he said, parang kwan yata yung motto ng UNP was tailored to Dr. Macanas, sabi niya. Yung motto ng UNP kasi, honesty, humility, and hard work. Well, I'm not saying this to boast, or, because I am not honesty, humility, I'm not a proud man. But I think I can say with a straight face that I tried at least. I tried to be honest, and I tried to be humble, and I tried to do my job.
And it's given naman po, and it's obvious naman during your times po talaga, during your administration, yung honesty, hard work, and humility is talagang nasa sa inyo talaga.
Yun ang talagang parang legacy
Yeah.
na pwede kong ipagmalaki.
Malaki. Kaya kami saludo sa inyo.
Oh, salamat naman.
Okay. How would you like to be remembered by the UNPians po?
Yun nga.
Pag sinabi ng, Dr. Macanas, Francisco Macanas.
Yung nga sinabi ko, I would like to be remembered as honest
Honest.
and humble. May naalala ko may pangkaptikon, It's about humility, about honesty. There's one thing too, yung parang reputation ko sa UNP as a faculty member, terror. And I'm also proud to be called a terror, Parang takot yung mga estudyante sa akin noon, lalo sa graduate school noon. When I teach a subject, kukunti mo yung estudyante ko. But when this is offered and taught by another without meaning anything, ang dami estudyante. Ay, ang dami. Ako, mga 4, mga 5. Ulit later on, yung mga lakas loob na nag-enroll sa klase ko. Sabi niya, sir, hindi ka pa naman pala terror eh. Sabi nila, hindi naman eh. I'm just fair. Yung terror kasi sabi nila noon, pagkaintindi yung grades. Kasi I give what students deserve.
Okay. Eto pa. Nung nag-retire po kayo, that was 2005, then until now, ano po yung pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, sir?
I still teach. I was telling you earlier
Kanina po.
that there's this school in Fatima, St. Benedict Institute, which trains students to become catechists.
And you're doing that for
Yes.
free, sir, diba?
I'd rather not say. I volunteered there. I volunteered.
You
So that
volunteered.
should answer your question. I volunteered. So from 2005 up to the present, I'm still teaching there. And then in church, I am a member of the Parish Pastoral Council as the coordinator of the Bible Apostolate Commission.
Okay, sir. Aside from the core values that you had sa UNP po, ano pa yung mga Ilocano traits na na masasabi mo nakatulong sa inyo para maging successful po kayo or para maging isang Dr. Francisco C. Macanas?
Oh, definitely hard work, diligence, patience, perseverance, gano'n. Alam, I was telling you, I came from a poor family. And as I was also telling you, when I went to school, let me see, when I finished my BSc, I was already a working student. I finished my AB first, then I started teaching part-time. Itong part-time teaching pay ko, yung ginamit ko to finish my BSE on my own. Then from there, when I went to master's degree, doctoral degree, it's really on my own.
Talagang kayo lang talaga po.
Oh, at saka yung talagang pagtsatsaga.
I'm really inspired by your story, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Anyway po, can you say that you already have enough with your life? May gusto po ba kayong gawin pa sa buhay?
Not really gawin pa. I'd rather say, ang magkaroon. Magkaroon ng apo. Kasi wala pa kaming apo eh.
Ay, nananawagan kami, Kuya Kuko. Mga busy yata mga
Yeah,
anak mo, sir, sa pagpapay.
my daughter, being a doctor, busy.
Anyway, sir, any final words or message for kapwa natin Ilocanos out there, lahat ng mga televiewers natin, para naman, lalo na yung mga nagsisimula ngayon to start their professional career din?
Okay. So kada kayo aming kagamsat, nagdandingig, nang nangroon yung tayo agtutubo pa lain. Di kaimportansyan unay, nagalad na dapat mapasay nyo. Ay doon ko naktatay nga kinagagat, diligence, patience, hard work na talaga nila. Ang kumagbalinti kinapanglaw nga tubeng, iti panangalayo, panang reach you, iti nagitay ambisyon nyo, nagitay dreams nyo, nagitay kahit yung pagbalinan, iti doon iti ngabiyag. Kasi kung naktatay, siyakot ko nagapok ti napanglaw nga pamilya di Bangar. Pero with God's help and yung sabi kong tiyaga, pagpupursigi, I was able to be what I am today. Of course, with the help of relatives and friends and my family.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us today.
Thank you also for this honor. It's an honor, actually.
Actually, it's an honor on our part din also to be with you and talk about your stories, sir. Ayan po, there you have it, guys. Our special guest for today, Dr. Francisco C. Macanas. Sana marami kaming na-inspire sa kanyang story from rags to riches, and even the core values that we have learned from him. Yung pagiging honest, hard work, and yung humility, number 1 po yan. At saka yung sabi niya kanina na kailangan maging hard work, saka maging what do you call this? Patience, because patience is a virtue po talaga. So there you have it, guys. Till next episode of Ilocano Act dito lang po sa Wake Up Ilocos. This has been your host for today. I'm so proud to be Ilocano dahil Ilocano Act. Bye, guys!
Siak ni Francisco C. Macanas, Ilocano Act. Proud to be an Ilocano.
Yan po si Dr. Francisco Macanas para sa ating Ilocano Act. Alam mo ba, napakabait talaga na itong si Dr. Francisco Macanas. Dati siyang Vice President for Academic Affairs sa University of Northern Philippines. Kaya alam mo yung pagiging approachable niya, yun yung talagang isa rin sa mga, parang winning charm niya kumbaga. Tsaka alam mo yun, na yung mga estudyante hindi mag-aatubiling lumapit sa kanya kung may mga concerns man sila or anything. Dahil syempre, napaka-approachable at napakabait niya. Kaya sir, saludo po kami sa inyo.
At tapos napag ko siya rin kanina, he transpire a humble person and hardworking, in which yun yung sekreto talaga ng pagiging successful person.
Yes,
At ngayon naman, lumako tayo sa ating What's Cooking segment na kung saan ipagluluto tayo ni Chef Sam ng isang masarap na recipe. Kaya kunin ang ballpen at papel at ilista ang mga ingredients at proseso. Kaya panoorin natin ito.
Welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with me, Chef Sam. And for today, we're going to make another quick recipe, which is beef stir-fry with eggplant. So, sobrang easy lang niya. So, gagamitin natin today is beef tenderloin. Kung hindi nyo kayang pwede siya ipa-pre-cut ng sukiyaki cut or gawin nyo yung gagawin mo. So, paglang natin siya in bias na. Cut it into strips, sukiyaki cut. So, ngayon, punta na tayo sa high pressure para lutuin na. Very, very quick. gonna add honey at saka sesame oil. Para kayo ako. Tapos luto natin siya. Ito yung gagawin natin, guys. Meron natin yung eggplant like that. Tapos, magaling na natin. So, ideally, huwag nyo itong gawin kapag gumagawa kayo ng pang 50 packs, kasi sobrang hassle. Gawin na lang, separate cooking na lang sa ngayon. Sa menu. Kaya tagalan natin yung meat para hindi ma-overcook. Great recipe brought to you by, of course, me, Chef Sam. Nandito po ngayon tayo sa Vigan Plaza Hotel. So, thank you so much to Congressman Ryan Singson, Ma'am Caroline Reyes for letting us here in your beautiful kitchen. Tsaka ito na po ang ating finished product. This is our beef stir fry with eggplant. So, for more recipes and tips, join me again next time on another episode of What's Cooking, only here on Wake Up Ilocos.
Pakatutukan sa ating Celebrity Corner ang latest update sa 2010 Miss Universe 4th runner-up na si Venus Rock.
At mga beauty tips and advice naman ang inyong matutunghayan sa Make Me Over. Magbabalik po kami.